You broke your hand 3 weeks ago? They said,
yeah, 2-3 weeks ago.
all right, so I'm trying to up the timeline for
It's
you.
okay, yeah.
They said 6 to 8 weeks. How is it going with the recovery?
It's going well. I won't be out of this removable cast here for another 2 weeks, but I'm hoping to be back right with the doctors. What they said, the timeline's about 6 to 8 weeks, but they try to err on the side of being cautious. So hopefully I'll be back before the 8, but I'm excited to get back with this new team.
I saw you in Atlanta. You were getting some shots up still, even with the bum hand. And then in Boston, it was so funny because all the new players were coming in.
Right.
And you said you had to sit there like the first day of school and you couldn't participate.
Yeah, I felt like I got sent home on the first day of school. It was nice to just see everybody back on the floor having that joy back. And I think you saw that. George Hill started out the game, and it was like he'd been with us all along. He's a battle-tested guy. Had been through a number of playoff series, and had been through it being a savvy veteran. And then Rodney Hood, Jordan Clarkson, Larry Nance. I mean, we just have a number of guys that come in, make us younger, make us longer, and I think really add to our team. And it's going to take a few weeks, and when I get back, it's going to take another month for everybody to get adjusted and get on the same page. But I like what we have.
I mean, that is going to be another adjustment, right? You guys only have, I think, 28 games after the break to the playoffs start. They have to adjust to each other, fit, chemistry, which we've seen is important.
Yes.
And then you're going to come back before the playoffs start, and that's going to be another adjustment. How are you going to pull that off?
Well, I think for me, this will be my 4th year in Cleveland. I know exactly what the coaching staff wants from me, what Ty Lue wants from me, and then from a player standpoint, LeBron leading the push for us, what he wants from us out there on the floor. So I think we have a lot of selfless guys. We added selfless guys, young guys that are playing extremely hard. I think you've seen that in the last 2 games in wins over Boston and OKC. So we just want to continue to keep playing hard. I'll fit in when I come back, and hopefully I'll have enough games to get my legs underneath me and get my rhythm back.